guys, this is Josh from Kingdom DTF. We're here the first day at the ISI Sign Expo 2024. We got here our booth, really nice. But we just finished for the day today, so that's why we're not printing right now. You can see my face. I'm really tired, but it has been a great experience today. You know, we got a lot of traffic to our booth. People, asking for the 24 inches. That is powered by CAD-Link, the Fiery, the software. We also got the 13 inches right here. That one for display. Have been great, all of that. So tomorrow is going to be the second day. Because we were so busy this morning, we did not went live or did any video, to be honest. But tomorrow we expect to go live at least a little bit and make more videos for you guys. So you can see out the machine printing. But we got a bunch of samples, to be honest. Let me show you. Let me see. We did today glitter stuff. We did regular stuff right there. We got here more stuff. And we got more stuff right here. So we giving these away samples for our customers or anyone that come to the booth. Here we got more samples. Glitter pressed on a black shirt, really nice. And also this one, let me show you, for this summer. Cool, right? So yeah. So let's see. Tomorrow we are going to try to go live again. Like I said, we could not do it today, the first day. Super busy with the traffic, a lot of people. But it's a good show. For tomorrow, we're coming back tomorrow, and then the Friday is going to be 3 days, and we're going to be here. So if you're from Orlando, Kissimmee, Central Florida. And you want to come by, it's free to register, and you can come by to the booth 1393 right there and come by and say hi. All right, so see you guys.